How should I log while using multiprocessing in Python? Right now I have a central module in a framework that spawns multiple processes using the Python 2.6 multiprocessing module. Because it uses multiprocessing, there is module-level multiprocessing aware log equals multiprocessing.get_logger. For the docs, this logger, edit, does not have process shared lock so that you don't garble things up in sys.str or whatever file handle by having multiple processes writing to it simultaneously. The issue I have now is that the other modules in the framework are not multiprocessing aware. The way I see it, I need to make all dependencies on this central module use multiprocessing aware logging. That's annoying within the framework, let alone for all clients of the framework. Are there alternatives I'm not thinking of?
The only way to deal with this non-intrusively is to spawn each worker process such that its log goes to a different file descriptor, to disk or to pipe. Ideally, all log entries should be timestamped. Your controller process can then do one of the following. If using disk files, coalesce the log files at the end of the run, sorted by timestamp. If using pipes, recommended, coalesce log entries on the fly from all pipes, into a central log file. For example, periodically select from the pipes file descriptors, perform merge sort on the available log entries, and flush to centralized log. Repeat.
I just now wrote a log handler of my own that just feeds everything to the parent process via pipe. I've only been testing it for 10 minutes, but it seems to work pretty well. Note, this is hard-coded to rotating file handler, which is my own use case. Update that Javier now maintains this approach as a package available on Pippy. See multiprocessing logging on Pippy, GitHub at this URL. Update implementation. This now uses a queue for correct handling of concurrency, and also recovers from errors correctly. I've now been using this in production for several months, and the current version below works without issue.
Queue handler is native in Python 3.2+ and does exactly this. It is easily replicated in previous versions. Python docs have two complete examples, logging to a single file from multiple processes. For those using Python is lower than 3.2, just copy queue handler into your own code from this URL, or alternatively import locutals. Each process, including the parent process, puts its logging on the queue, and then a listener thread or process, one example is provided for each, picks those up and writes them all to a file, no risk of corruption or garbling.
Below is another solution with a focus on simplicity for anyone else, like me, who get here from Google. Logging should be easy. Only for 3.2 or higher.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.